Snow has melted considerably in the last few days. It's been in the mid-30s and sunny. It's supposed to cool off but not get any more snow. So if I shovel that top of that camper off today, maybe I'll be able to put solar panels on by next weekend. I'm going to use this plastic snow shovel. And no sharp edges, so it should not hurt the roof. So that's all the cleaner. I'm going to get those. I don't want to scratch the solar panels. The sun worked that off. I worked from So I'll be able to tilt this to the southern exposure and the snow will fall off it, unlike my tilting panels on this side for when I'm snowbirding. This one will do me good when I'm up north. I'll also put another one down there so I can have plenty of charging. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you see me doing something wrong, something you don't like, leave me a comment. I want to do it right. So regardless, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.